Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. If you're looking to join a Discord server but don't have an invite, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you trick join Discord servers without needing a direct link. Whether it's a public server, a fan community, or a group for a specific game or topic, and by the end of this video, you'll be ready to join Discord servers. First, click on Add a server in Discord, then choose Join a server. Here, you can type discord.gg followed by the name of the server you want to join. For example, to join the Midjourney server, I'll type discord.gg/midjourney. And that's it. Just hit join and you'll be connected to the server. That's it. Now you know how to join a Discord server without needing an invite. If this helped, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy connecting.